Hello everyone, today we are gonna do level 47 without checkpoint, okay? Get ready! This time we are doing with a special ball named Blueberry Ball. This was my last ball ever got. Hooray, we didn't flag up the checkpoint. Now you know how to do without checkpoint level 47. Stop.